Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate pairing mode manually on your Libratone headphones. To do this, you have to click and hold this power button and wait until this indicator turns on. Right now you have to release that button. Let's do this one more time because I just probably turned off my headset. Okay, right now it's working, and to enable the pairing mode you have to click and hold this button until indicators are right here starts blinking for the right and the left side, left and the right side. It's not good visible, but let me show you. As you can see right now, it's blinking right here. So right now they will appear on the available devices list, and that's the Libratone Q Adapt. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.